Good evening, my YouTube viewers. In this particular video, I'm going to be discussing the t-distribution. Now, the t-distribution is similar to the normal distribution, but it has it's used when estimating population parameters when the sample size is small and or the population standard deviation is unknown. So that's when you would use the t-distribution. So we're going to create a t-distribution in Python. So in order to do that, we need to import the libraries that we're going to need to use to execute the program. So we're going to import NumPy as MP, which is your numeric library, and we're going to import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT, which is your visualization library, and we're going to import SciPy stats as stats. Now, stats is the statistical module within SciPy. So we're going to set up the parameters for the t-distribution. So we're going to set it up with the degrees of freedom of 5 and the number of samples of 10,000. And then we're going to generate t-distributed data. So t-data equals np.random.standard t brackets degree of freedom num samples. So your degree of freedom is 5 and your number of samples is 10,000. So we're going to create a histogram and plot the t-distribution. So plt.hist brackets t-data, comma, bins equals 50, comma, density equals true, comma, color equals sky blue, comma, edge color equals black, comma, alpha equals 0.7. And so we're going to plot the theoretical distribution. So x equals np.linespace brackets np.min t-data, comma, np.max t-data, comma, 1000. And then we're going to plot it. plt.plot brackets x, comma, stats.t.pdf. And PDF stands for probability distribution function, brackets x, comma, degrees of freedom, comma, r dash, comma, lw equals 2, comma, label equals t-distribution, PDF, degree of freedom. So we're going to add titles and labels to the distribution. The title is t-distribution. The x label is value. The y label is density. So we're going to show it now. So this is the t-distribution. As you can see, it looks similar to the normal distribution, but not quite. And then the size of the t-distribution is dependent upon the degrees of freedom. So if you change the degrees of freedom, then the size of the t-distribution will change as well. So that concludes this video on the t-distribution, and I'll be making another video on a distribution for you in the very near future.